Hi everybody, welcome to the Lampman Library. Today we have a Mother's Day craft going on with our after school program. So I'm set up behind me there for a lot of kids, but we've only got a couple happening right now. Say hi, Maddox.
Hi.
Okay, so go sit down. Yeah. So over here we're doing a cookie in a jar for Mother's Day. So Maddox, show us what you've got. You've got layers of all your ingredients. Okay, so the last...
Flour, brown sugar, and chocolate chips.
Okay, so what is the last ingredient on your recipe?
Three or fourth cup of M&Ms or less as needed to fill jar.
So it's 3/4 of a cup of M&Ms. So that's the last ingredient to go into the jar. And that's Amra, she's helping out too. Okay, so come over here, Maddox. Okay, so those are the M&Ms already pre-mixed for you. So you just pour those into your jar again. Okay, and it's not going to quite fill it up, but it will help. There we go. So now, okay, yep. Okay, so now where's your lid? There's your lid. Put your lid on, and now we do the decorative part. So hopefully we're going to get a few more kids in and we'll be able to make them all a Mother's Day present. The way that we're set up here is we're using the Makerspace kit, the cooking kit that comes from the Southeast Regional Library. And then we just bought the ingredients that we needed in order to make the cookie in a jar. And we had the jars were already donated to us. So relatively cheap cost for a pretty fun craft. And hopefully the moms and the kids get to bake on either Mother's Day or the day after. Okay, thank you. Say bye, guys.
See ya. Bye.